Protesters come from all parties and from none. They cross language barriers and class barriers. They're unknowns and they're celebrities like Julie Christie of the Powys anti-nuclear group Pandora. What's she hoping for?
Stop it. Not to pass on to everybody who comes afterwards a sort of radioactive earth.
What do you think that somebody like yourself, internationally known film star, can offer to a movement like Pandora? Do you think it's a great help?
I don't think I offer very much at all, except as just one of the many members of it. I suppose maybe some people would hear of it because of my name, that they wouldn't hear of it otherwise. But it's like MADRYN. It's a very sort of grassroots movement. It's not really concerned with images.
We'll take you Niwclear, I'll be singing your virtue's name.
The march ends symbolically where Welsh power was first given expression, owing Glyndwr's Parliament House. But this isn't just a Welsh fight. Pressure groups have travelled from other threatened areas in Somerset and Hereford. Scottish groups sent messages of support.
I call upon you to pledge. Indeed, let us make it a covenant and declare publicly that we promise to do what we can to stop the government's present policy to bury nuclear waste here.